Serviced accommodation is by far one of the biggest cash flowing strategies in property investment, but it does take systems, it will take outsourcing, and it will take automation in order to make sure that you don't just get yourself another job. So on this video, I want to share with you my journey of operating in serviced accommodation for the last few years and the key outsourcing hires that you can use to free up your time, to maximize your cash flow so that you can scale and repeat and go again. Simon here, the founder of Rent to Rent 2.0. I specialize in serviced accommodation, HMO, BRRRR, but on this video, it's all about SA. Now, I know what you're thinking. If you're thinking about SA or if you're doing it, it's stressful, it's guest management, it's bedding, okay, it's towels, it's security, it's check-ins, it's checkouts, it's complaints, it's damages, it's all these different things. And in this video, I'm going to just share with you the journey to getting that systemized as quickly as possible. So first things first, the first two things you're going to need to outsource is your cleaning and it's going to be your linen. And some people actually opt to do that in one job lot because the cleaners can essentially end up sorting out your linen laundry as well. However, when I started, I tried to do that whole cleaners come in, strip the beds, put them in the washing machine on site, take them out, iron them thing, and it was a ball ache. You know, it was just long because every now and then the clean would only take 30 minutes, but they'd have to wait there 2.5 hours. So I'm still paying them. And every now and then we'd need a quick turnaround. So basically it's long. You want to outsource it as quickly as possible. So you're going to need cleaners and then you're going to need them to do the linen at home, or you're going to need a local laundrette. And that's what we currently do. We literally bag all the linen and the cleaners or one of our team members takes that to the laundrette. They collect a fresh lot and then we just do relays basically. So you will need a number of bed sets anyway, but essentially it's all outsourced because we don't have to do the cleaning. We don't have to do the laundry. So at the beginning, you're going to be managing that process. It could be you collecting the bed in and taking it, but ideally you want the cleaners to do that. So once you've got that down, the next layer is you're going to want a team member, an assistant, and somebody that's going to do ad hoc tasks and errands. I'm talking about, collecting the linen. I'm talking about going to buy new linen, buying amenities, waters, coffees. I'm talking about helping with setups. I'm talking about staging properties for photo shoots. And just those sort of physical front office errands. So what happens is you add an extra layer. So then it becomes, say, your assistant, and then the cleaning and linen underneath, which is fantastic. Then what you're going to want to do is at some point you're going to want to outsource some of the back office, which is the admin tasks. So this is your guest management, you're confirming bookings, you're sending check-in information, your customer service checking in with guests, some of the advert optimization and all that stuff. So what happens is, or what happened for me, was I actually employed a bit more of an SA manager. So it then went me, SA manager, errand person, and then cleaners and linen. And that's fantastic because scaling and systemizing is all about putting more space between you and the service, the consumer, because then you can focus on adding more value and doing income generating tasks rather than on the operational side of it. So that was a game changer because then not only do you outsource the physical stuff, you outsource the back office stuff, you then can get to the point where your SA manager also manages the cleaners and manages the linen, and that frees up all your time. So that's how I would approach it. But whatever you do, don't be doing your own cleaning and your linen and trying to do all your errands and your photo shoots for too long. For me, I probably did my first 5 to 10 rent-to-rent deals. I was doing the majority of the errand stuff and the back office, but I outsourced the cleaning and linen from day one to free up my time. And then as soon as I could hand over the errands, which is a lower value added task, anybody can go to Wilko's and pick up bedding as long as they've got the right direction. And then what that does is it frees up your time. You can scale further, which means you can have more units, which means you can start to enjoy the passive income that you probably started this for. If you'd like more content like this, make sure you subscribe, comment below with any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.
Introducing Creative Cashflow Plus, the first rent-to-rent app and leading platform dedicated to supporting you on your property journey. Ask the experts anything. Be held accountable so that you can smash your goals. Mastermind with other rent-to-rent specialists. Access our deal clinic to get your deals analysed by a pro. And unlock hours of videos and podcasts guaranteed to help you take your rent-to-rent business to the next level. Get the ongoing support that you deserve. Join us, Creative Cashflow Plus.